Hello guys, short video here. So I got a lot of requests over the comments on how to remove and install the diffuser plate on the Dolce Gusto machines. So I will show you exactly how I do it, and yeah, you can follow the process afterwards. So all Dolce Gusto machines have the same diffuser plate. So first of all, for all, remove the capsule tray and then close the lid back, and you will see here the diffuser plate. To remove this diffuser plate, to change it, you will need a paper clip and insert the paper clip in this small hole here. You have to insert it just 1 or 2 millimeters inside, and you will feel a spring effect. Once you feel that spring effect, take your nail and pull on the diffuser plate out, and you can see the diffuser plate, it's out. Then with a sliding motion you can extract it outside. Yeah, so this is the diffuser plate. The process of installing is exactly the same. Insert it on a 45-degree angle until this portion here is inserted in this square space down here. Hope you can see it. You see, there is a squared space there. Okay, so insert that part there. If it is inserted there, you can only do this motion, and then gently just push on it until it makes a click. And that's it. This is everything here. Okay, so to remove, click it, feel the spring effect, and then drag it out, and that's it. And for insertion, put it in that space there and click it back here. Then that's it. This is all you have to do. Don't try to push with a lot of force with the paper clip here, because otherwise you can bend this clip here, and then you have to change the whole head assembly. But if you press it with just a little bit of force, then you can remove it really simple. Okay, so I hope this little short video helped you. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.